Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and choosing what to change. This matters because compression is irreversible for originals you convert. Once signed in, open Google Photos and filter by type or date to locate batches. Make sure you pick the desired scope, single album, date range, or all items, because that defines processing time and storage saved. You'll also choose the quality profile up front. This determines file size versus visual fidelity, so balance storage goals with acceptable image or video quality. Now you perform the conversion step by step. On the web, go to Settings and use Recover Storage to convert eligible originals to high quality. This frees space by recompressing without root-load when possible. If working on mobile, change upload size under Backup and Sync and root-load only new items, or manually export and recompress high bitrate videos. Make sure to process in batches, because very large jobs can time out, so convert a few albums at a time and check progress before moving on. Finish by verifying that storage metrics updated and that your important files still look acceptable. You should inspect representative photos and videos at full screen. If you notice unacceptable quality loss, restore originals from a backup immediately before further conversions. Once done, make a plan to keep new uploads compressed by default. If conversions fail, retry the specific batch, ensure a stable network, clear app cache, or use the web interface. These steps resolve most errors and let you complete the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.